As a Linux user, you've probably used the command line interface to execute various tasks on your machine. While typing out individual commands can be effective for simple tasks, more complex tasks may require multiple commands executed in a specific sequence. In such cases, shell scripts come in handy. A shell script is a file containing a sequence of commands that are executed in a specific order. The script file is executed by the shell, which is the command line interface to your Linux machine. The most common shell used on Linux machines is Bash, which stands for Born Again Shell. In this video, we'll cover the basics of shell script writing in Linux Bash. Before we dive into writing Bash scripts, let's first create a Bash script file. To create a Bash script file, you can use any text editor, such as Nano or Vim. Here's an example of creating a script file using Nano. Open up a terminal and type nano myscript.sh. This command will open up the Nano text editor and create a new file named myscript.sh. Once the text editor is open, you can start writing your Bash script. Bash scripts start with a shebang line, which tells the shell which interpreter to use to execute the script. The shebang line starts with a hash symbol followed by an exclamation mark, which is followed by the path to the interpreter. In the case of Bash, the shebang line is #bin -bash. This line tells the shell to use the Bash interpreter to execute the script. Now, let's write a basic Bash script that prints the message, "Hello World," to the console. Here's what the script looks like. To execute this script, save it as a file, for example myscript.sh, and make it executable using the chmod command. Then, run the script using the following command. This should print the message, "Hello World," to the console. Variables can be used in Bash scripts to store data that can be used later. To define a variable in a Bash script, you simply assign a value to it using the equals operator. Here's an example. In this example, the variable name is assigned the value John Doe. The variable is then used in the echo command to print the message, "Hello John Doe," to the console. Conditional statements can be used in Bash scripts to execute different commands based on certain conditions. The most common conditional statements used in Bash scripts are if and else statements. Here's an example of an if and else statement in a Bash script. In this example, the if statement checks if the first command line argument is greater than 10. If it is, the message, "The number is greater than 10" is printed to the console. Otherwise, the message, "The number is less than or equal to 10" is printed. I hope you enjoyed this very basic tutorial regarding Bash scripts and you will try to write your own shell script. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.